Welcome back to my channel, Sadie's Lab, and today I will be making it blue with a base. And for this episode, since it contains adult supervision, my dad will be helping out.
I'm right here.
Yeah, we'll need red cabbage powder, baking soda, a test tube, a tall cup, and all this stuff we have in the tall cup are pipette, small scoop, and medium scoop. Okay, and what we have is water here. And since I love princesses, I'm using my Princess Ariel cup. Okay, you ready to get started, Dad?
Ready.
Okay. So first we're gonna fill the test tube 3/4 of water. So we're gonna need to open this, put it inside. Might need to take off my gloves for this part because I don't want to. Wait, you have to
Pour it in. Would you like me to pour it in for you?
yeah, just pour it in.
All right, tell me when to stop.
Stop.
Is that good?
I think that's about right.
That's about right. All right.
Okay, next we're gonna add one small, not big, not medium scoop, one small scoop of red cabbage powder.
Okay.
So you can do that.
Or would you like to put your gloves on and do it yourself?
Yeah. Since it's my turn. Okay, I'm just gonna put on my gloves.
So the red cabbage powder stains your hands, and that's why you could put on a cloth glove so you prevent it from getting stained.
Yes,
There you go.
that is right, Dad. Okay, pick up the red cabbage powder. Take the small scoop with it. That looks good. And then you should get something a bit purple.
Can you help me? Put this over here.
Okay, and let's put
Move on to the next step.
Okay, so the next, fill the tall cup with the half full of water. Fill the tall cup half full of water. That looks good. Doing it a bit more. I think I might need just a bit.
Too much? You could pour some out if you have too much.
That looks a bit too much. That looks like enough.
What do you say? It's good? Still gonna pour some more out? There we go.
That looks good.
Good. All right.
So now we're
Move this
gonna
out of the way.
add one medium scoop, not small scoop. Add one medium scoop of baking soda to this cup, to the tall cup, and mix it well until the liquid is clear. This is your and that will be your base solution.
I think you used the big guy.
No, it
That's
says
it?
medium scoop. This is a medium scoop.
Okay. See, that's it.
Okay, that's
Hold the cup while you're stirring.
stir it until
Make sure all the powder goes away from the bottom. Make sure.
you gotta make sure all of the baking soda is all dissolved.
All right, I think we're good.
I think we're good. You can
Okay.
take this.
We'll move this out of the way. You can rest it in the cup here.
Okay, and
Do
now
that
we're
anymore.
gonna take the pipette and drop it a few times into the cup.
See if you can start a little bit. Hold on, though, you're putting too much.
Ooh, now it's looking kind of. I could pour it in all.
Oh yeah, you can pour it in all.
That
It's changing from a purple to a blue color.
it kind of. But still, might need to drip a bit more of it. Cause
Okay.
that's how I did it with my mom. I did it 3 times.
All right, then stop and let's start.
Ooh, and it's getting kind of blue. Don't you see?
Mm-hmm.
It's getting kind of blue. Because now the medium scoop is getting like a bluish drip. Now here's my last one. This is going to be the last few drips. So if you have the same set and you want to do one of the experiments, you must ask an adult for help. Okay, maybe a bit more. Maybe just a tiny bit more until it reaches the 2.
Yeah, I think we've gotten a long way from when it was just light purple, and now it's definitely a darker purple blue color.
Whoa! Whoa! I think it worked.
It absolutely did.
I hope you are enjoying this video. Bye! I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. And make sure to hit that bell button.